In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a single hot plate from the company Cusimax. I think how you would say that, Cusimax. So looking at some of the features on this thing, it's a 6.7-inch single burner. It's actually a large size burner. I've already had this thing out and used it, by the way. It's compatible with all types of cookware. It's easy operation. It's got stew, fry, boil, and etc., including variable temperature dials, protection against overheating, heating indicator lights, easy clean power, still body, corrosion resistance. The power consumption on this thing, so it's a 120 volt, 600 hertz. It goes up to 1200 max power. The weight on this thing is less than 3 pounds. It's actually a pretty light little thing. 13 by 4 by 12. You can kind of see right here, rust, infrared, easy operation. You know what? Enough talking. Let's just take this thing out of the package here. Let me show you what you get with this thing. And then with this is an instruction manual. It kind of goes over. There's actually a 2-burner setup. I have the single burner setup. I didn't think I needed the 2-burner setup. And kind of like some basic kind of instructions on how this thing works, but you know what? You turn it on and you let it go. So taking the cord out right here, very solid made. Let's just kind of like go over this thing. You got the company name on the front, Cusimax, and underneath you get these little rubber feet to kind of lift it up and then shield it from causing heat on the bottom. Nothing's back here, nothing's right there. That's where the cord goes in. You got right here, it shows you the wattage, 1200 watts. I do have a larger power bank coming that I'm going to run on this. Basically, you just run from off all the way to 5. Let's go ahead and let's cook something up and see how well this cooks. I've got some eggs, I've got some bacon, I've got some sausage because it is breakfast time. So let's cook that up and let's see how well this little hot plate works. So let's do that now. Let me show you how this thing works. So you see there's a red light right there? All you got to do is turn that on. And I don't know if you can see it in the camera. But now this thing, I can feel it. It is definitely heated up. So that heats up fast, everybody. It's a hot plate. It's going to heat up fast. I've got my pan here. This is a perfectly sized pan for this right here. So let's go ahead and fry up the bacon first. Oh, it's really frying up now. This thing's working great. Look at that. Look at that smoke coming off of there. I'm going to throw me a few sausages on there. So I do like the fact that when you see it getting a little too hot, see how I can just turn it down. I'm gonna put it on number 3 to get a little slower cook. Oh yeah, this thing's cooking up great. Look at how fast that cooked all that up. This is perfect for anyone that's doing any type of outdoor type cooking right here. A little quick little hot plate. Or if you're just in a camper or something, this thing would work great for that too. Let's go ahead and take this stuff out and add some eggs. Throw that in a fire pit. I did turn the heat down a little bit more, got it on 2. Look at Remo, he likes his eggshells. Let this fry up and we should be good to go. This is almost done. I really like this hot plate. I can already tell you, this thing's gonna be with me on a lot of my adventures when I'm doing a lot of outdoor, because I do have power in my van, so I can run electricity, and I should be able to cook up about anything with this thing. All you need is a hot plate, a pan, and a spatula. And some food. These things are cool. I'll leave links to where you can pick up these things. This is Himalayan sea salt in there, and this is crackled black pepper. Look at that. Let's put some on over here too. Very nice. You can adjust these to put more or less. Let's go ahead and take the egg out. Let's throw a little bit of toast in there. Empty out some grease. There you go. That's good enough for me. Turn this down. And because this table can withstand a lot of heat, I'm just going to put that over there. And there it is. Check it out. Crispy bacon, sausage links, eggs, and a little bit of toast. All of it off the Cusimax hot plate. See y'all in the next video.